Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the power of makeup. I'm not wearing any makeup on right now, but towards the end of the video I'm going to show you what I look like with makeup on, along with my best colours again. Now, let's talk about what makeup is used for. Makeup can be used by people if they feel like they themselves want to cover things up or enhance their features. It could be that someone has small eyes and they want to make them look larger. It could be that they want to contour their jawline or make their cheekbones look more prominent, make their face look less rounded, make their face shape look different. That's what some people do. Um, some people also use makeup as a way to prime their skin, because some primers help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. They also help to counteract redness, and there are concealers that help with spots, dark circles under the eyes, many things like that. There's also um, mascara to make your eyelashes look larger. Some people use false eyelashes as a way of makeup. They tint their brows, tint their eyebrows. Also, sometimes people need to use makeup on their eyebrows to make them look fuller. But it's not just about those things. It's also a way to make your eyes pop, make your features look more colourful. And the way to do that is to use the right colours for you that come from your own palette. Because when we wear the wrong colours for makeup, it can actually make the things we don't want seen look more prominent. For example, wearing the wrong colours can make your fine lines and wrinkles look more prominent. They can make your under eyes look more shadowed and emphasize all of the things that you may not want to be emphasized. But when you wear the right colours, everything looks harmonized. Like your skin's more like a smooth grape, because when you wear the right colours, it defines your jawline in a very flattering way, rather than projecting shadows onto your face or any kind of unflattering light that might make you look greyer or more sallowed, depending on your skin tone. So now I'm going to show you what I look like in makeup and in makeup with my best colours. By the way, I am wearing burgundy, so this is one of my best colours, along with just painted burgundy, and on my thumbs I have burgundy and a bit of raspberry red on those thumbs. Okay, so this is me with the makeup on now, and now I'm going to show you what I look like in my best colours as well, all of my best colours, the winter and the summer ones. Summer is my best, but I also have a few winter colours. I'm using a pure white t-shirt this time so I can neutralise my colours while I have my best colours on. Okay, now I'm going to show you the first lot of best colours. I have the summer colours on the left and the winter colours on the right. Burgundy, which is a summer and winter colour. Cornflower, plum, and sea green. And on the right, my right, I have electric blue, pine green, and another summer and winter colour, which is raspberry. Now I'm going to show you the other best colours that I have. Okay, for the second part, I've kept the burgundy because I have a cool point red lipstick, so there is something that matches. And I have Air Force blue, royal blue, and French navy. Or I can wear navy if I really want to. And I'll show you a trick to make it look even better while wearing your best colours. Actually, there are two tricks. Okay, so the first trick is to wear one of your best colours underneath your face. And it could be white. Sometimes one of your best colours is white. But for me, French navy or any kind of navy is better than white on me. So I'm wearing French navy underneath my face. And the same thing applies with burgundy, cornflower, sea green, Air Force blue, royal blue, electric blue, raspberry, or pine green. So all of these will do the same job. The second trick is to use one of your best colours or one of the colours within your palette that is still really good for you. That might not be your best, but it's still really good as a background. That will really, really enhance your photograph. It will really complement you and your features. It will make you look absolutely sparkling. And I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so for the first example, I'm using Air Force Blue as a background. And can you see how it enhances everything? I also have a bit of navy in the background, which also helps to enhance my features. For the second example of a background, can you see that it's the colour mustard behind me? See what it's doing this time? It's not really doing anything for me. So I'm going to get another colour up for you that is much better. This time I'm using sky blue as a background, which is obviously much better than the mustard background was. And with having a very cool undertone, or even just a neutral cool undertone for others, you can use white as a background. And if you are warm or even neutral warm, use cream or oyster instead. A bonus tip is you can also enhance everything, the background, the colour underneath your face, with some jewellery. One of your best jewellery colour, your best metal will make everything glow. So the key thing here is that I am trying to help you to glow, glow, glow in your colours. I think that this will really help you if you want to look your best in photographs. This whole thing will really make you pop. Everything will look so energetic. You will just feel amazing like I am right now. I just feel amazing. I feel ready for photographs. It is just brilliant. It's a trick. This is a trick that I use pretty much all the time. And they are just great tricks to use. And now, just for fun, I've created a multicoloured background of all of the summer colours, including a bit of silver, which is our metal. It's got a little bit of a winter colour there as well, with it being raspberry. And of course, I'm not going to go without these other winter colours. This is incidentally a summer colour and closer to the colour of my lipstick. So I couldn't be without these. These are fun. These will also add to the cool spectrum. I feel like, welcome to the cool spectrum. Just sitting on this chair. It's like, just fabulous. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please leave respectful comments or questions down the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe for more content and make sure you click on that notification bell so that you will get notifications of any videos or YouTube shorts that appear on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.